and welcome to this video about creating a macro that shows a message box with the text Hello World. We start with a new workbook and we choose the developer toolbar, and on the very left side you find a button Visual Basic. When clicking on this button, the Visual Basic editor opens. So left click on it and you see here our current workbook. Now we choose Insert Module to create a new module where we write our macro. On the right top side you see the source code window. Left click in it, then press 2 or 3 times enter to create a little space. And now we start our macro. Every macro starts with a statement sub. After this statement, the name of the macro has to be entered. In our case, Hello World. Now, after pressing enter, you see the heading line of the macro is formatted and end sub is inserted to show here is the end of our macro. Now I choose a line in between sub and end sub, tab, and we want to show a message box. So MSG box is the statement to present a message box. A blank and then the prompt. The prompt will be Hello World. Oops. So then the next parameter will be which buttons will be displayed. In our case, only the OK button. So VBOK only. Pressing the spacebar completes the selection. Comma, and now the title of the message box, that will be My First Macro. Quotation mark, enter. So that's the macro. Now we have to run the macro. So switch back to Microsoft Excel, and here you see macros. The button, click left on it, and a dialog box opens with all macros available. In our case, it's only Hello World, so we can select it and press Run. So you see my first macro, the title, Hello World, the prompt, and only one button, the OK. When clicking on it, the dialog box is closed. But it's not very user-friendly. Macro, Hello World, Run. So we will insert a command button for clicking and showing the dialog box. So insert button. You see the cursor changes to a crosshair. Left click, drag, release, and now we can assign a macro to our button. In our case, Hello World and OK. The button is named button 3, and if you click here anywhere on this text, you can delete the text, say Hello World, just rename it, click anywhere outside with the left mouse button, and then you go with the mouse on top of the button. You see the cursor changes to a hand. This means we can click here and something happens. So click and you see the dialog box is shown again. Okay, just once again. Click and our message box. So this is the end of this short video about creating a macro with a message box. Thank you for viewing. See you next time. Bye.